Want to create your own stunning visual effects in Unity, but think shader programming is too hard? Well, you've come to the right place.
Hi, I'm Dr. Penny DeBale. I've been working with creative and enthusiastic students like you for the past 30 years. I've also written numerous books on computer graphics, programming, artificial intelligence, and Unity. In this course, I will be teaching you Unity's visual scripting tool for creating shaders, ShaderGraph. And in it, you'll be able to create all stunning sorts of visual effects without the need to code.
You'll follow along as together we construct some common basic shaders as well as experiment with different techniques to create animated and procedurally generated materials. There are over 15 hours of follow-along workshops and challenges that will keep you hungry for more.
What I love about ShaderGraph is it puts the power of creating shaders into your hands without the need to learn a new programming language.
The visual node-based interface allows you to really explore and understand the principles of lights, reflection, colours, transparency, scrolling textures, normal mapping, and much more. We will also investigate and work with shaders in Unity's built-in universal and high-definition render pipelines. You'll come away from this course with a new appreciation of the mathematics and composition of shaders from the ground up. You'll find your confidence with the different techniques grow and develop, and intuition for putting together your own custom shaders.
The ultimate beginner's guide to Unity's ShaderGraph is your complete manual for learning how to make your own stunning visual effects in shaders without the need to learn how to code.
So what are you waiting for? Enroll now.